Hey guys, today I'll be showing you one of the yummiest and cheesiest Schezwan Cheese Toast at home, which will get ready in just 5 to 10 minutes. And you can also refer to one of my videos on how to prepare that perfect and spicy Schezwan sauce at home right from scratch. So let's get on to the recipe. So to prepare this yummilicious cheese toast, here I'm using some bread slices. These are big sandwich bread slices. You can use any size of bread, or you can use any other bread also of your choice, like brown bread or multigrain bread. And if you want, you can also remove the corners if you like. We'll keep this aside for now. Next up, in a bowl, I'm adding 1 onion finely chopped, half a capsicum finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 boiled potato which I've cut into cubes like this, handful of boiled corns, and some fresh coriander. I'm also using some salt, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, and along with that I'm also using my favorite spice which I always use in all the sandwiches, that is half a teaspoon or around 1 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala. This gives that perfect chatpata taste to all the sandwiches. So if you combine the chaat masala and pav bhaji masala, it comes out really well. Next, I'm going to put some grated cheese. So here I'm using 2 to 3 cubes of Amul cheese. This is the regular processed cheese. You can put more or less as per your preference. So we'll mix everything really well. And if you want, you can use any other vegetables of your choice here and any other cheese, and mozzarella cheese also works great with this dish. So if you want, you can also use handful of mozzarella cheese in the same mixture. So this masala is nicely mixed. This base is ready. Now we'll spread all the bread slices. So basically I'm going to prepare one sandwich out of 3 bread slices. So first I'm going to apply a thick layer of mayonnaise. Yes guys, I'm using this mayonnaise instead of butter, as I saw one sandwich wala doing this and it comes out really creamy and moist. But if you want, you can also use the butter instead. But mayonnaise gives more creamy and perfect flavor to the sandwich. So apply mayonnaise on both the slices. Next, I'm going to apply a thick layer of Schezwan sauce. So this is the homemade Schezwan sauce. You can refer to the description box for this video and spread that as well. Do this for the other slice as well. And the combination of the mayonnaise and the Schezwan sauce comes out really well. I've tried many times at my home. So today I'm spreading this Schezwan sauce, but if you want, you can also use the green chutney instead, or you can also do Schezwan sauce in one bread slice and you can do green chutney in another bread slice. That also will work well. And you can also refer to the description box below for both the links of Schezwan sauce and the green chutney. So I've nicely applied the Schezwan sauce. Next, I'm going to apply a thick layer of the prepared mixture, that is vegetable and cheese mixture. Apply a good thick layer. Do this for the other bread slice as well. Make sure to apply thick layer and put enough stuffing so that you get that perfect cheesy bite. And if you want, you can grate some more cheese on top of this, but I am not using some more cheese. And then I am going to put this bread slice on top of the other and close it with the last bread slice and press it slightly so that it's intact. And then I am going to apply some butter over it. Next, I am going to heat up a pan over medium flame and place this sandwich over this hot tawa with the buttered side facing down, and keep pressing on the top. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium flame or until it gets good golden brown color all over and becomes slightly crispy. So meanwhile, you can apply some butter over this side, and now I'm going to flip it over onto the other side. Wow, you can see this lovely brown color. That's the perfect color of the sandwich. Cook on the other side as well until it gets good golden brown and crispy. So keep flipping and applying some butter as required until you get that perfect golden brown color and crispy edges. So I think this is done. You can see it's got beautiful color. I'm going to remove it out. And similarly, we'll prepare the other sandwich. Place it on the tawa, apply some butter, flip it over. This is also done. I'm going to remove it onto a plate. So both my sandwiches are ready. Now I'm going to cut the sandwiches into triangles. You can see this. It's so nice, cheesy and juicy inside with crispy on top. You can serve this hot with some chips on the side, and if you want, you can also grate some more cheese on top. It looks really mouth-watering. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, bye-bye.